Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will be discussing the different types of citations, or how do you properly cite sources. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. Citing sources. Sige. So documenting your sources is a crucial skill in producing any academic work. So including research writing. So it's a vital skill when you are doing research paper. It's important that you know how to properly cite your sources. Okay, so your ability to cite sources shows your credibility, intellectual honesty, and skills in reporting others' works. Okay, so we are avoiding, as much as possible, we should produce a work that is not plagiarized, because producing a good quality paper will also speak something about your intellectual honesty and credibility. All right. So as a writer, you must cite facts and figures, original ideas of other researchers and other people's exact words. So it's important that every time you cite facts, original ideas of other researchers, that it's important that you cite them. No, it's an indication that you recognize their work and that you recognize their contribution to your current paper. Okay, if you fail to do this, you can be accused of plagiarism and other forms of academic dishonesty. Ano gani ang plagiarism? It is explicitly copying other people's works without citing them properly. Okay. There are two forms of citing sources. We have in-text citation and citation in the references. Okay, so in-text citation requires the researchers to indicate the source of information within the body of the text. Okay, so you include the last name of the author and the year the source was published. Okay. The complete bibliographic information naman of the reference use appears at the end of the paper. The other type of citation is the reference list, in which you are including the complete bibliographic information of the author. So the documentation styles for in-text citation, we have three: the APA style, the MLA, and the Chicago. Sige, for business, economics, education, and other fields under social sciences, we use the APA style of citation. But if we are doing research related to English and some humanities subjects, then we have to use the MLA. Pero if we do research covering various disciplines, especially history and music, then we will have to follow the Chicago citation style. Okay. However, class, since we have to follow CPU format, then we'll have to follow the APA in-text citation style. Okay, so what are the documentation style for in-text citation for American Psychological Association, or the APA style? This is how you're going to present the literature with cited sources. Like, for example, this phenomenon was attributed by some scholars to high achieving students' tendency to be realistic. Falshikov and Bode in 1989. So again, you include the last names of the authors and the year when it was published. Okay, note, when incorporating direct quotations in the text, the page number of the source where the direct statement was found must also be cited. Example, Falshikov and Bode, 1989, page 415. Okay, so again, it's important that you include the last names of the author and the year when it was published. No, you can usually include direct quotations. Class, however, it is not usually encouraged. So as much as possible, minimize using direct quotations. Or blanking copy, mo ginang exact words of the author. And when you do that, just in case, do you do that once or twice, include the page number where direct statement was found. Okay, Next, the Modern Language Association, or the MLA style. So this is how it is presented. This phenomenon was attributed by some scholars to high-achieving students' tendency to be realistic. Fashikov and Bod for 415. So what have you noticed? The last names of the authors are still included in the page number. However, and here is not written as an ampersand. Like the symbol, dasang and, if we go back to APA yan. The and is written as an ampersand. Here naman in MLA, last names of the authors are still included, but the and is spelled out. And 415, no comma na. 415 the page number. Okay. Okay, and this phenomenon was attributed by some scholars to high-achieving students' tendency to be realistic. Falshikov and Bod, 1989, 415. Okay, this is na year of publication, and then my 415. Okay, the page number. Okay, again, the and is spelled as AND, and then the year is also included in the page number. Okay, next is the, documentation style for reference citation. Ano naman ang reference citation naman, class? It's how you list the bibliographic information about all the authors that you've included in your paper. So one is the APA style, 6th edition. This is how you, this is how you write it. Falshikov, the last name of the author, and then you also include the initial letter of the first name, N, and again, another last name of the author, and then the initial letter again, D, and then you include also the year of publication, the year when it was published, and then the title of the article or the title of the work, Student Self-Assessment in Higher Education, a Meta-Analysis, and then the source, Review of Educational Research, Volume 59, number 4, pages 395, 430. How about MLA style? No, if ever in the future you will do research for English subjects and other humanities subjects, no? So same, last name of the author is included in the initial letter of the first name, and then still ampersand, no? And then the year of publication, the title of the work, Student Self-Assessment in Higher Education, a Meta-Analysis, and then the source, Review of Educational Research. However, the content are still the same, class. Volume 59, number 4, 1989, pages 395, 430. The only difference is how it is written. For APA style, volume 59, it's only 59 that is written, no volume anymore. And the number 4 is written inside the parenthesis, and there is no PP, which symbolizes 4 pages. Okay. However, on the MLA style, may again volume, no, VOL, then 59, and then number 4, and then a year again, no, of publication, and then pages, PP for pages, and then 395 and 430. So basically, the content is the same. They just differ in how they are written. Okay. Let's see Chicago style naman. This is when you do research related to history and music, for example. Same, the content is still the same. The last name of the authors, the initial letter of their first name, the year of publication, the title, Student Self-Assessment in Higher Education, a Meta-Analysis, and then the source, Review of Educational Research. No, 59, combination of 2 combinations ng APA and MLA, 59 for APA, number 4 for MLA, and then 1989 for MLA, pero may parenthesis na this time, and then may colon before the pages. No, PP, no, 395 to 430. So basically, the content is just the same. They just differ in how they are written.